Hi, welcome to this course. So in this course, we're going to be talking about the beginner topics of Vue, which is a very popular JavaScript framework. So what is this course going to be about? What are we going to cover in this particular course? Well, it's going to have 6 different modules, 6 different sections, if you will. And the first one is going to be about the fundamentals of Vue, where we look at binding data and a lot of other things, creating dynamic CSS, classes for your elements, and a lot of other things. And in the second section, we'll be looking at conditions, loops, and a lot more. Basically, we'll look at how to conditionally and automatically render your data, your lists, your objects in your DOM. And the third section, we'll look at the theory on single page application, how virtual DOM works, and how that makes all the difference from a regular vanilla JavaScript website to a Vue JS website, and how reactivity works and why we need reactivity and what is reactivity, and a lot of other things. And the fourth section, we'll be talking about the Vue CLI, which is the command line interface, and we'll be using that to create professional projects that can be showcased in the real world. And the fifth section, we'll be looking at component communication and slots. So communicating between different components by using your slots, props, and a lot more. And the final section, we'll wrap everything up with a mini calculator project by using Vue, and we'll look at the sheer use of Vue in reducing the number of lines of code and the programming time on a project. So that's pretty much it for this particular course. And you'll need to know the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to truly understand how Vue works. Here we go. I'll see you inside. Thank you.